Great, now I'm gonna be late for work. Thanks, Aiden.
Ugh, not today. That was fire, Aiden.
Wow, thanks, Aiden.
Nice work, Aiden.
Righteous!
How'd you do it, Aiden?
I learned it from A+.
Through July, A+ Garage Doors will donate $100 from every new door purchase to Make-A-Wish to help grant life-saving wishes like Aiden's.